Southeast Texas, get ready for Bulls on Bolivar, April 4th at Swedes Festival Park in Crystal Beach, Texas. Gates open at noon, mutton busting kicks off at 2, bucking bulls at 3, along with sheep scrambles. And the Bounty Bowl at 5 p.m. Don't miss the action Easter weekend. Fun for the whole family. For more information, visit bolivararena.org. Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and welcome back. Once again, Landon's here with us, and we're in this week 2 now of a remodel job. Just to recap, last week we talked about the initial call, filling out the form. Landon came out, bid the house, looked at the house, talked to the homeowner, either through Zoom, on the phone while he's looking at the house. Took him about 2 weeks to get the bid done, and then he came back in and met with the homeowner again, and they went through the whole bid process, the whole bid, step by step on what's happening, materials used. Now we've got 2 months to finish the job. So spring break's over.
Yep.
We've got till Memorial Day, because I want my family to be in that house Memorial Day, because we're going to party.
Absolutely.
We're going to tear up all the new remodels.
Well, that's up to you, but we're gonna put it back together, and it's going to look nice before you get there.
You're showing up day one.
Yeah.
You've ordered, I guess, your material or light fixtures, whatever you need for that. What happens now? I know you've got different crafts that come in. Let's talk about what's happening.
So one of the things that we implemented end of 2025 and really brought into 26 is a program called BuilderTrend. BuilderTrend is an online scheduling platform that basically you have access to as the client. I have access to, and then all of my trades have access to as well. So as we utilize BuilderTrend and we set up your job in BuilderTrend, you will be able to go in and see our schedule as the week goes, and that schedule gets updated weekly. And so we have a 2-week running schedule, and then it gets updated weekly, and then it basically notifies my subs of what days they're supposed to be there. So like you're talking about ordering the materials and different things like that, there's certain days that we will order those materials and have it set up for delivery, and the trade or craft that's going to work on it next will be scheduled the following day, so that the material's on site before he shows up, and then they're able to perform their job. So that's how we're able to nail down these schedules a little bit better than an old way of just writing it down on a piece of paper, making a bunch of phone calls. Hey, this is done today. Let's get over there tomorrow. We're not wasting these days, because in a remodel, the days in between somebody's working is really key. That's how you can get really behind very quickly, is not having your stuff together. And that's why we want to set up that initial consultation of going over, this is how long we think this process will take. Let's get our start date, the week after spring break, and we got to be finished by this day. So we know what work needs to be done. We got to fit it into that time frame. Let's make it happen, right? And so the BuilderTrend, we've noticed over the last 6 jobs that we've done and still doing, is the customer is really able to see what's going on. So they're not in the dark each week of like, who's working at my house. You want to know when the plumber's showing up? It's on the schedule. You want to know when the electrician's showing up? It's on the schedule. Sheetrocker, so on and so forth. Guess what? As it gets updated weekly, I'm able to change who's there and who's not there. We can all see it together about where we are in the process, which, you know, for someone who's out of town, who's trying to trust a contractor down here in their home while they're not here, or let's just say you're in your home here, you need to know who's going to be there what day. Right. This makes it really, really convenient for them to be able to say, okay, XYZ AC company is coming into work today. You know, the framers will be out here working on the outside tomorrow, and the painters will be here on Friday. It just really makes the smooth transition. And this is where we've talked about, you know, since Allison came on board in July, is her coming in and I couldn't activate all of this stuff with everything we have going on. she's able to actually go back in the backside, make sure that you have the correct access to it. If we have blueprints drawn up, the blueprints are actually added onto the builder trend system. All the trades have the access right there at their fingertips. Everything is just running so much smoother, and it's really just helping the process.
And a painter, say your painters, you've talked to him about this job, he can look on it. You may not need him for 6 weeks, but he can say, okay, in 5 weeks, I need to go ahead and start making plans because I've got to be there Monday morning to start texturing, and then I'm going to go back 2 days later and start painting stuff.
It
so
really
they
helps.
Can plan out their jobs, and they know what's coming down.
They know what's coming up down the road, so they don't need to go take on a bunch of other work because we use the same trades on every single job. So those guys know, hey, Lennon's keeping us busy down here. I don't need to go find a bunch of other work to try to do to fill in the gap. So if I have it, let's just say it's scheduled out for 6 weeks, as it notifies him that 6 weeks he's called to action over there. But as we get closer and it gets updated each week, it may be that he's moved up 3 days, or it may be that he's moved back 3 days. But having that a little bit of communication of saying, hey, we need you there 3 days quicker. Well, now all of a sudden we're ahead of schedule and we're continuing to stay ahead of schedule. Instead of just like the house just being empty for, let's just say 2 weeks, or 3 days even for that matter.
Well, and it also, if a lot of times you have several jobs going on, and if he's got a 10-man crew, he can say, okay, I'm going to use 3 guys over here, and we're going to take the other 7 over here. Or we can put them all together and knock this job out.
Yeah, exactly. And like, I try not to spread them thin like that into saying, like, let's send 3 here and 3 there, because it just seems like both jobs drag out. So what we'll try to do is like what you said, hey, let's get over here and knock this job out, so then we can jump over to this job and take care of this job next. But it's all laid out on the schedule, so he knows what house he's supposed to be at each and every week.
Right. And I think it brings confidence and some reassurance to the homeowner when he can go on there and say, oh man, look, they moved the painter up 4 days because this one didn't take 3 days to get it done. Things went smoother, or they had an opening come up. And so it gives a timeline that, okay, man, we're going to be able to go through and do a final cleaning the week before Memorial Day, and things are looking good.
Absolutely. And it will send you, it's an app. So it's on your phone, or whatever tablet, whatever you want to do. And so like it will send you notifications if you want to sign up for the notifications, but it will alert you to when schedule changes happen. It'll alert you. We're able to put in pictures inside of there, which we always do a shared album with the homeowner anyways. But it'll alert you with those things. That way you can just kind of stay in the loop of what's going on each day and not have to make phone calls trying to figure out what's going on. Like, we're still going to have phone calls because we're going to have that line of communication, but it's going to be more along the lines of, this is what we want to do. Hey, Landon, what do you think about this? Whatever the case may be. It's not a phone call where I'm having to lay out the schedule for you for 2 weeks, and then all of a sudden that's the same schedule next week because somebody didn't show up. It's very, very, the schedule works very, very well.
What about, what I could see is documentation. If there is a problem there, you can take a picture of it, you put it in there, he gets notification, and by the time he gets around to calling you back because he was in a meeting, yeah, Landon, I'm looking at the picture, I agree with you on that. How do you suggest we fix it? And it's all, anything, any business, the biggest failure to me is lack of communication. Not only inside the business, but also between a business and customer. And I know I bore some of my advertisers sometime, calling them, just letting them know I didn't have to, and they told me I didn't have to. But that's what I want, is I want people to know what's going on. And with this app, you everyone knows what's going on.
Everybody knows what's going on all the time.
Even if your wife's glancing at it, she knows what's going on. Oh man, we're going to finish this up. It's going good, you know. So.
Well, it helps out with you understanding, when billing's coming due and different things like that of what the schedule is. And so it like you said, it's communication. It's easing the process for the homeowner, and it's keeping us very streamlined as well. So and you said billing, something we didn't talk about on the bid.
How is billing set up on a lot of remodels? Is everything's different?
No, everything we do is is called progress billing, and
Okay.
so as work is being
So if
completed,
you tear something out and you're done with the construction,
then it's billed out for that.
Then it's okay.
So if you're working in three different rooms, it's all spelled out. Like the demo is not rolled into one big line item. Like if you were demoing sheetrock, and then we're demoing insulation, and we're demoing subfloor, each one of those demos are going to be lined out, because I may be done with this one and this one, but I may not be done with this one yet.
Right.
And so I'm not going to bill you for something that I haven't done.
Right.
And we typically bill bi-weekly. Typically bill weekly, because I don't want to chase things around like that.
Right.
Everything's done online through QuickBooks, so it's sent out by an email. You're able to pay online. Everything's very smooth, and
So
the transaction's very clean.
You don't have to be here.
No, everything's very clean, very user-friendly.
Great. So we've gone through our 2 weeks. We've got the initial visit, the bid, we accepted it. We've been in construction, and now you can see how the jobs run as far as keeping you in the loop, and that's what the app actually does, is keep you in the loop. And we sort of have that with when I say send me an invite when you're going to do your, that way everyone has it on their calendar. So next week, what are we going to talk about?
We're going to talk about, once we're finished, what you can expect from Prestige, and then how it's going to help you down the road.
Down the road. Great, great. Well, we'll wrap it up next week, and the fourth week, we've got a neat show. We do some off the wall every once in a while, and it's sort of not in the construction, but it is. So we're going to head on out. We'll be back next week wrapping up this remodel with Prestige Custom Builders. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Thank you to these 2026 video equipment sponsors. Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87. Beachy Beatnik Boutique, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87. And Latitude 29 Surf Shop, located at 1400 Highway 87. Thank you to these area businesses for being our 2026 video equipment sponsors for Bolivar Live.